Hi guys, welcome back for another video. Today we will unboxing again, but today I will unboxing accessories for your MacBook Pro. Since MacBook only have a 4 Thunderbolt, which is you need a USB port 3.0 or USB-C, the extra USB-C if you need it, or maybe a connection for your HDMI to your monitors. So I just bought this Anker from Amazon, if you can see it. So this one is a 7 port, which is come with HDMI, 2 USB-C 3.0 and one Thunderbolt, which is you can connect it to your monitor, especially if you have a LG, like I have in LG UK 850, which is only need one cable connected to this one here, or you can connect it to your computer. And one more is the USB-C, which is not charging, just transferring data. Let's take a look inside what we got here from this Anker here. From the review, everything's love it, fine. And then after we unbox it, I'm just gonna try transfer some files from maybe my external hard drive or my microSD card as well. Oh, it's come to I forgot to mention there's a with the SD card and microSD, which is for your camera, which is I'm recording it right now, so I can transfer it file or photo or anything. I'm not sure how fast it is, but I'll show you later on. Oops. Ta-da! Alright, so you got some of the welcome guide, and there's nothing here, so this is what you get. That's it, just like that when you get the open up the Anker. It's not too heavy, it's very light, and the color almost similar to my MacBook Pro. And as you can see, there's a 7 port, which is the one HDMI here. So USB-C, USB-C and USB-C Thunderbolt, which is you can charging, and this one is maybe transfer data or something. And there's a like indicator. You show that the before you connect it to your computer or something, it will show a light. This micro SD and SD card. It's not bad, eh? So it's come with power, a small bag for travel. Protect your USB-C hub in case you're going somewhere. Okay, so just like that. It's come with the name as well. I have their name here. Man, this camera hard to focus. Damn it. Here we go. Okay, I'm just gonna put this aside. Let's open up this here. What we got. Okay, first impression. Happy? Not happy. Wait. Oh. And this is a very big guide, instructions, direction, whatever you call it. Anything you need here. This come so just basic instruction in any product that you unbox. It will come with this as well. Well, so far so good, right? So make it happy then. There we go. Alright, let's try it on my MacBook. I think. And just a little bit gap here, just so you know. If you cannot see it, there's a gap here, just a small gap. And this one is fine. Let's try to close this. So just look like this. Very neat and pretty. So at the bottom here. And in case you don't know this USB-C hub just for MacBook only. It's not gonna work with other computer like your PC or any Windows on a MacBook. So this is what they designed to look exactly the same, the space gray color on it. You know what? Let's test transfer some file from my external hard drive. And if you have a microSD, which is for your camera, or SD card, you can use it as well. And just an extra USB-C, which is you have to buy an external external hard drive or anything that have a USB-C that you can put it for the extra port. So I'm just gonna test some transferring file from this here to here and go to here and back and forth. And the next one, I'm just gonna transfer some file from my camera through here and to here and see how fast it is. Alright guys, what do you think about the small accessory for your MacBook here? So this is what I think. I think so. I'm very happy with my purchase, especially the color. It's very almost match with my MacBook Pro. On top of that, it's very neat and convenient. So if I travel somewhere like on an airport or go to a library or something, I just need to carry this. So I don't need to any cable or dongle, just very convenient for me. And on top of that, the transferring file is not that slow as well. I think it's average, so it's not crazy slow. But just so you know, it just get a little bit warm when you are using it, transferring file, or use it for your monitor, or any accessories that you could put it here, or you're gonna edit some video, any YouTube video, anything like that. It will get warm, but it's not that crazy hot. Overall, I'm very impressed and I'm happy as well. And just a little bit gap on the top, as you can see on my video, but that's not a big deal for me. I'm not gonna return it or anything like that. As long as the colors match, I'm happy. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video as I'm making it as well. And if you like this kind of video, don't forget to subscribe, like if you enjoy the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye. So yeah, I forgot one more thing. So if you wanna buy this, I'll just gonna put the link description down below on a Amazon link in case you wanna buy it. So ciao.